Evening everyone, the sun has just gone down, it's just dark, it just got dark, and the wind is picking up the last few hours. Tomorrow was supposed to be a very sunny, beautiful day with temperatures of 22 degrees. Well, those 22 degrees, we're gonna keep that, but with lots of wind, unfortunate. But the good thing is, looks like weather will be going towards the warmer temperatures. Next week on Tuesday gonna be as well 22, and at night gonna be 15 degrees, so that is really warm. This night is gonna be around 10. So that's definitely a big improvement. We see the temperatures climbing up in February. Hopefully the crowd levels as well. Tonight we're gonna walk alongside over there. In the back side we have Rica's, Stag and Pheasant, Levante Beach. Gonna have a look around there just past 6 p.m. So not that late yet. Then we're gonna take a left in the Rincón area. Got the green door, the red door bar, and several others. And as well, I want to take a look at the construction of the new bar or club, maybe, the bank. So please walk along with me, and don't forget guys, please hit that like button, it really does help, and do subscribe to the channel. So the waves aren't that high yet. Hopefully that won't happen, because else all the water will come on towards the beach again, like we had the last few weeks with high winds. We're nearing the Rica's beach bar. I think the terrace outside is completely empty. Well, you're blasted away with this high wind speeds over here from those terraces. And yes, as expected, indoor seating is a must with this weather. Same goes for next door at Stag and Pheasant. Well, these clubs aren't the busiest at all at night because it's on the beach. The strip gets more popular, the Rincón bars as well. But still you could have a nice evening out here. Let's quickly head into the Rincón area over here. There's nothing more to see. And I'm curious about the construction, how it is going at the bank. This video, I'm not gonna pause it or anything. I'm not gonna cut parts out of it from now on. Just gonna show you guys the real atmosphere, how it is around 6 p.m. on a night here in Benidorm in February. I do gonna keep a bit of a steady pace in it, because else it will take about half an hour until I get there. I'm gonna stop every single second, don't want that. Let's see, let's take a right and then we're gonna go across the street a bit further on. There's nothing happening around here except those touring buses still driving at night. Grand National is still closed for winter. Ooh, the wind is howling here in some places. Oh, you can even see the big LED screen up there, swinging from left to right. Okay, the shops on the other side are open, but there's way more wind up there. I think I picked the better route to walk, but I do gonna go across the street because there's almost nothing to do on this side except for a few restaurants which are coming up. I believe some Indian restaurants are the first ones we're gonna have on the end of the Mediterranean here. Got the casino in the back, and then up front the alley hop. Got the green light. And up here are a few Indian restaurants. The one on the right, I believe it's the curry house. Or that one is closed, but the one on the left, the curry leaf, that one is open. Oh, I could show you guys the menu, of course. The winter menu with winter prices. But do note, it's only in the afternoon. Lots of people are doing that as well, having dinner in the afternoon, and then for evening, just some bread or anything, just a small light snack. It's one of the ways to save some money. Really quiet areas here and there. Let's hope it picks up a bit from there on. Got the indoor market, which is closed already, just past 6, but I believe they close at 6. I think it was quite calm. In the Rio Hotel. And then I've got to get across the street. Stopping, they don't do always. These ones never closed. Haven't seen these close at all in all the time I live here. These shops.
I had absolutely whacked her. I had
Got some really, yeah, just a lot of it, just a lot of the same it is. They have the KFC. Next to it, Chulo restaurant, 18 euros for a winter menu up there. And then we're getting towards the red door. Up here next to it, there is some construction going on, but I don't know what they're building up here. At least they're doing it properly. There you can sit nicely outside, out of the wind, or inside when it's cold. Won't be, thankfully, the upcoming week. There we have the bank. It's nearing completion, I believe. Can even look a little bit inside. Cleaner is mopping the floor. Bar is getting installed. And outside, the decoration has been in place. The wooden decoration on the sides, but the name up front, not yet. A huge terrace it will be. Lovely in the sun, in the summer. Let's hope it won't be too hot, but looks like they have a big covering as well. I'll show you from this side. A major covering. and it's right up there. Then we have the green door on the other side from the same chain. The 12 men is up there, currently watching football. And we got the green door, yeah, as I've said, from the same door from the dollar group, which own $1 million silver dollar bar. It used to be the golden dollar, but they have turned that into the temple bar. Now we're gonna stay on this side. There is another restaurant up next to it. That's Paradiso, very good one. But I think it's closed for winter. That's right across the Dynastic Hotel. Okay, we got the Union Jack and Big Ben coming up. First got the Big Ben bar, the Bistro as they call it. They're really empty up here. No special menus or anything. And the Union Jack is closed for winter. Chinese shop, €1. Oh, and I can see something new. On my right, there used to be a Chinese, I believe, Chino El Sol or something like that. That was up there, down there, it was always empty. Hardly anyone went there. Really unfortunate for the owners, but I believe they've sold it now, has been renovated. And now it's gonna be restaurant Yummy. I saw already what type of tiles they did, and it kind of looked like Mediterranean, modern. So I guess it'll be more for the Spanish cuisine. But we'll find out soon. Yeah. Probably they won't stay keep it closed for long once they're finished. Sun Terrace on the left, not open at all. Small breakfast prices have increased, guys. Used to be $4.95. And then we'll end up at the roundabout where we got the Red Lion. The other one, the more friendlier one, I believe. The Melia. And that was it. Next time I'm going to explore behind that area. See what's there to do at night, the bars down there, and so on. Thanks all for watching. Don't forget, hit that like button, do subscribe.